heart-to-heart kami ni Brother Joel, and even if I know the cost, it's not something you can feel unless ikaw talaga. So for example, may mga anak-anakan ako, pero siya real yung nararamdaman ng anak. May asawa ko, pero iba yung nararamdaman ng asawa ko sa pinagdaanan nilang mag-asawa, di ba? So it's different for every single person. For Senator Cheese, for Senator Jinggoy. Senator Jinggoy, nandun ako in the room nung kinukuha siya, and no one can say that we understand how his wife felt. Especially after alam nung wife niya na talagang inoffer sa kanya, hindi ka makukulong, kumampi ka lang sa administrasyon, kumampi ka lang sa grupo ni Ping Lacson, ni Senator Tito Soto, Win Gatchalian, etc. No? So, may kosto, mga kababayan, ang kalayaan at independence ng Senado, independence ng Philippines. So, hinihila tayo ngayon ng China at saka ng US in different ways, no? But kaya sabi ko, we don't need to be anti-China or anti-US to be pro-Philippines. You can be pro-Philippines without being anti-anyone. Kailangan lang independent ka. Hindi ka dependent kahit sa ibang bansa. That's what it means to be sovereign. Hindi ka kumukuha sa outside influence. That's what it means when we say God is sovereign. He will do what He wants to do because He does not need outside forces. Hindi ako sovereign because I'm not perfect and I need God to sustain me. And God uses people, uses your prayers, uses your support, uses purpose to sustain. So the point I want to make today is that kung may cost ang independence, meron din pong cost kung hindi tayo lumaban, ha? Kung hindi lumaban ang ating mga national heroes during the Spanish time, it would have been harder during because there would not be reforms, and we might still be a colony to this day. Kung walang cost yung paglaban sa mga Hapon during that time, mas maraming na-rape, mas maraming napatay, mas maraming karumal-dumal na nangyari sa ating bansa, or baka ginamit din tayo sa pag-invade ng ibang mga bansa sa Asia if lahat tayo ay naging collaborators or kumampi lang. Ganun din sa US. Kung hindi tumayo ang maraming mga Pilipino para sabihin, big brother ka namin, Uncle Sam, but you're not the owner of me, or di ba famously sinabi ng ating dating Pangulo na he'd rather have a country run like hell by Filipinos rather than a country run by foreigners. And unfortunately, nagkatotoo na kahit Pilipino ang humawak sa Pilipinas, in many aspects, it's run like hell in terms of corruption, idolatry, immorality,